Do you really need the person who hurt you to tell you, I hurt you, and I'm sorry, and I feel awful that I did it? It's beautiful to get it, but do you need it? Do you not know how painful the pain was when you experienced it? Do you need them to tell you how painful it was and give you permission to feel it? You don't need it. The one who broke you cannot heal you. You have to heal you. You can't expect the person who broke you into pieces to bring those pieces and say, I'm going to put you back together. You can't do that. You can, but why would you choose to do that? Someone who has the power to destroy you and uses that power, why would you trust them with rebuilding you?
Okay, this is Context Matte Lipstick, and the color is beautiful. Look at this. So, it glides. It's really nice. It's like, it's creamy, as you can see, and super comfortable for being a matte lipstick. But when you put your lips together like that, you can almost feel that it has like, I would describe it as maybe like a baby powder. A little bit, because it's a little tiny bit textured, and I think that's what gives it that matte color. I'm not saying it has baby powder in it. I'm just saying when you push it together, you have that feeling of something to make it matte, like baby powder would. But the color is absolutely beautiful. This is in the color 116. Tears Are Falling by Context.